Reinforcing your front door against kick-ins starts with anchoring the strike plate into the wall framing rather than the door jamb alone. Begin by removing the strike plate and replacing the short screws that hold it with 3-inch screws that pass through the jamb and into the solid wood of the stud. Upgrade to a heavy-duty strike plate made of 16-gauge or thicker steel and fasten it with at least 4 3-inch screws, spacing them to pull the jamb tight to the framing. Consider installing a door jamb reinforcement kit that wraps the jamb with cold-rolled steel and distributes force across a wider area. These kits usually fit behind the trim and require only basic tools to fit. Add a reinforced deadbolt with a 1-inch or longer throw and make sure the bolt fully extends into the reinforced strike box. Choose a deadbolt with a hardened steel bolt and anti-sawing features if possible. For an extra layer of protection, use a door reinforcement plate around the lock area and hinge protectors that prevent pry attacks on the hinge side. Hinge reinforcement is especially important for outward swinging doors. Finally, consider surface-mounted door security bars or a door barricade device that braces under the doorknob and jams against the floor for very high force resistance, and install them so they can be engaged quickly from inside. 3 common mistakes are relying only on the lock cylinder, using short screws that only bite into the jamb, and neglecting the hinge side of the door. If you depend only on the cylinder, the bolt can be defeated by force or manipulation, so pair a strong deadbolt with reinforced strike hardware. Short screws leave the jamb easily pulled free, so replace every strike and hinge screw with 3-inch screws that reach the stud. Ignoring the hinge side lets attackers pry or remove hinges on outward swinging doors, so install long screws in hinges and add hinge shields or security hinges that prevent pin removal. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and contains a discussion community where we exchange real-world advice on projects like door reinforcement. We help contractors find work by listing opportunities and letting them join conversations so both homeowners and professionals can learn from each other.